Hey guys, so in today's DIY I'm going to be showing you how I remove plaque and tartar from my teeth. It's 100% effective and it is budget friendly as well. So you can keep those coins in your pocket and save yourself a trip to the dentist. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get to it. So first I'm going to start with apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is good because it helps to whiten your teeth. But the only thing is you don't want to use it too often because it can break down your tooth enamel. Okay, then I'm going to go in with the hydrogen peroxide. This is good because it also helps to clean your teeth. It treats gum disease, it reduces plaque, and it also kills bacteria. Then I'm going to go in with the 100% unrefined coconut oil. This is good because it attacks harmful bacteria in your teeth. It also reduces plaque as well as prevents tooth decay. Then I'm going to use my Colgate Max Fresh, and this is good just because it'll keep your breath minty. Then you'll just stir everything until it turns into kind of like a foamy mixture. Then I'm going to take my aluminum foil. I'm going to cut that in half to kind of make little trays. You want to make sure that the trays are small enough to fit into your mouth, because I've tried this a couple of times and I made them too big and it was not comfortable. If you are enjoying this video so far, please make sure that you hit that like button. Also make sure that you do subscribe to my channel so that you can see more DIYs and more from me. So now you just want to leave the tray in for about 2 minutes, 2 to 4 minutes actually. You're then going to take it out, grab a clean toothbrush, and put the remaining of the mixture on the toothbrush. Then just brush away. And that's it, guys. That's how I save a trip from the dentist and I remove plaque and tartar from my teeth.